Hearty welcome to the orientation to LAC. Today we are going to learn about language across curriculum. Let me introduce myself. I am Marin Jose, Assistant Professor, St. Joseph College of Teacher Education for Women, Ernakulam. Let's begin the session by invoking the blessings of God. The topics we are going to learn are principles, functions of language, then language diversity in the classroom, LAC conceptual analysis, models of LAC, and operationalizing LAC. So, are we in need of a new approach? Is it the need of the hour? LAC. What is it? Is it different? Can I do it? Is it fun? How will it be? What shall be in a LAC class? So let's learn all such things in this session. Okay, LAC. A conceptual analysis. In this session we will learn language across the curriculum, the concept, then origin of the LAC concept, language and thinking, basic tenets of LAC, then multilingualism, dialects, deficit theory, and discontinuity theory. You may be tired of the incredible Indian English, and shall we peep into a real classroom? And we may see that some of the students at least lack motivation. Let us see all these problems, rather challenges, like a lack of communication skill, lack of motivation, individual differences, lack of work culture, bookish knowledge, and less employability. So we are terribly in need of developing key competencies and 21st century skills. In US education has been on 21st century skills. These include interdisciplinary themes, global awareness, financial and entrepreneurial literacy, health and environmental literacy, then learning and innovation skills, the 4 C's, creativity and innovation, critical thinking and problem solving, communication, collaboration, life and career skills, flexibility and adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity and accountability, information, media and technology skills. The 8 key competencies of European Union Education Strategy: communication in the mother tongue, communication in foreign languages, mathematical competence and basic competence in science and technology, digital competence, learning to learn, social and civic competences, sense of initiative and entrepreneurship, cultural awareness and expression, and ET 2020 refers to transversal competences such as digital competence, learning to learn, a sense of initiative and entrepreneurship, and cultural awareness. English has, for better or for worse, come to be seen more as a basic skill than as a foreign language. So we need a radical change. LAC is an answer. What is LAC? Origins of the LAC concept. The concept origins in Great Britain. In 1975, Bullock Report advocates a language for life. Then in 1985, Swan Report support education for all. Linking language and learning. No longer narrowly seen as the domain of first language, not confined to the conventional four modes of language, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and language included even non-verbal ways of expression. The eight modes of human activities involved in language are 1. Listening comprehension, oral input and intake. Speaking, constructing meaningful utterances. 3. Reading, means understanding written text. 4. Writing, producing written text or discourses. 5. Viewing, means attending to visual signals or information. 6. Using visual means of expression. 7. Watching, means attending to the movements. And 8. Moving, means using the whole body or person. Language and thinking. Language is more than communication skills, and language is linked to the thinking process. So we will come across two concepts. One is BICS, basic interpersonal communicative skills, versus CALP, that is cognitive academic language proficiency. According to Cummins, means it is using language as tool for discourse functions. Here we will come across knowledge of the language versus knowledge about the language. The basic tenets of a language. 1. Language develops mainly through its purposeful use. Domains to be broadened. 2. Learning often involves talking, writing, shaping and moving in reaction to perceptions. 3. Learning often occurs through speaking or writing as much as shaping and moving. 4. Language use contributes to or is a prerequisite for cognitive development. 5. Language is medium for reflecting learning. Language across the curriculum is a term for school and college courses that allow students to study a foreign language or apply pre-existing knowledge of a foreign language outside of traditional language learning classrooms. Aim. Language across the curriculum, LAC, which is pronounced as the initials LAC. A promising means to improve the cross-cultural knowledge and purpose-specific multilingual and intercultural skills of students. The origins and aims of language across the curriculum. The LAC movement follows the example set by the Writing Across the Curriculum, that is WAC movement of the 1980s. WAC provides advice and assistance to students for the inculcation of the skills needed for writing in each curricular speciality. LAC also draws upon the content-based language instruction movement of the 1990s. How? LAC works with the faculty to identify the specific vocabulary and discourses that students need in order to function effectively in another language in their respective disciplines. Why? Instruction that emphasizes purposeful comprehension and communicative production yields superior receptive and expressive accuracy, complexity, and fluency. Students who learn language for a purpose learn it better. Design variants in LAC programming. To respond to the complex realities of student and faculty competencies, curricular and institutional priorities, and individual and group interest and needs, LAC takes a wide variety of forms. Who will teach LAC? It can be taught by a single faculty member who choose to modify courses in the LAC direction, or it can be done as a partnership between language and non-language faculty to devise joint courses. Assessment. Language and non-language courses. Divide the credit between the two. Non-language courses with a 0 credit, or it can be non-language courses with no letter grade, means just pass only transcript entry. Let us see what are the challenges we will come across. The identification and preparation of materials take considerable time and effort. Simplifying the scholar-produced resources may be difficult. Materials in print, audio, video or web-based LAC assignments may be challenging. It needs a high level of proficiency and need background materials or specific references. And we need a set of study questions and a brief glossary. What are the faculty roles? LAC makes unfamiliar demands on departments and individual faculty. Non-language faculty may fear that the educational purpose of their courses may suffer, and language faculty may fear that the inculcation of high-level language skills will suffer. But when we think of the positive things like student motivation, we may think whether we have to find out whether students may be confused initially. They may lack confidence in their ability to apply intermediate level language skills to good academic purpose. But let us see what are the opportunities. The requirement of modern era. It is exciting employment opportunities like a career in artistic, commercial, diplomatic and other fields in which a high level bilinguality is needed. In commerce, industry, research and arts favor the use of collaborative multilingual learning to prepare our graduates for the workplace. World Wide Web, Internet, provides both reason and the capacity for greatly enhanced intercultural multilingual learning. And international students, then partnership with universities abroad, or then restructuring the subject matter in basic terms, conceptualizing and verbalizing clearly, linking it to prior knowledge, and LAC helps semantic processing, understanding and storage. It provides more awareness and consciousness and more linguistic and mental creativity. Thank you very much for attending the session.